Good morning, happy homeowners. Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, Floors, and we're here in Pasadena. This is our third day being here, and let me take you inside and show you the progress we got going. So, just recall, it's the original floor of the house. Started sanding downstairs, upstairs, pretty much almost ready to stain. But you can see the natural raw wood versus the old stain. That oil-based stain, but got a couple of repairs we did here real quick. Brand new wood, old wood. Homeowner is still undecided if they're going to want to do this room. It's always a possibility, but sometime today they should be picking the color that they want to go with. Take a look at the stairs. We got putty on the stairs. Filling any gaps that we got going there. Take you up here. So everything's pretty much puttied up. Got the difference between, wow, big difference. So you remember this room? This room had paint on it. Yeah, huge difference. Beautiful. Everything's looking great so far. Another bedroom right here. Let me see. Let me just show you guys this dark spot. So again, it's always one of those things, dark spots. We never know if they're going to come out until we start sanding. So that spot didn't come out, so we'll give it the homeowner an option if she wants to replace that board or not. Wow, this looks night and day difference. All right, it's already been buffed up here. Already smooth. It pretty much looks like it's ready to be stained. So we just need our homeowner to come pick out their color that they want to go with. They're all puttied up. Closet, we'll putty. And there was one more room. Here we go. You see this room's already been sanded. Just needs to be edged. But the closets need to get done. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let me go and turn this thing around. So you can see the progress. Everything's all, you know, looks like almost a brand new floor. So I'm very happy with how it looks so far. A couple dark spots that didn't come out. So we'll give the homeowner an option of what they're going to do. At the same time, talking to the homeowner, going back and forth so far, they're going to probably want to go with the brown. Could be light, could be dark. We're going to give them a couple of different options, and we'll go from there, So everybody have a good day, and we'll see where we're at. Everyone have a good one.